Allah, knowing this one very well, did not forbid sexual relationship in Ramadan during the night time. Night time you have relationship with your wife. That is okay for you to take you to the next 48 hours or to the next 2 days or to the next 12 hours. Plus, when your glucose level is low, stimulating you for you to respond to such scenes also get weakened. And all of us can testify to that one. Around 4 o'clock and around 5 o'clock, what is the taste in pornography when you look at it? Because at that time, I mean, your glucose level is very low. You don't need, those things. So our grandfathers actually motivated us to fast and to marry and enter into Ramadan because of the reward component. Once you enter into Ramadan as a fully completed believer, your reward system and the scale for calculation, everything changes. So in the past, we were motivated to go into marriage before Ramadan, mainly, because of that one. But seeing it that when you marry, because of the urge for sex, it might be a source of temptation, that might be an exception for some people. Maybe 1% or very low. Because once you do it in the night, it's okay. The hunger and the fasting can take you to the next distance. If it becomes so, just drink your water and move on direct. After Maghrib, you move on, my brother. So there is no any temptation with regard to that one, inshallah.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.